Hey everyone, in this video we are going to talk about Pandle software. So I'm just going to show how to create a new account. Okay, so just click on create free account. Now you have to enter your email ID and then your password. Okay, so I'm just entering my email ID upgraded0 to @gmail.com, and I'm just entering my password. Fine. Then you have to accept the terms and conditions. Okay, so you have to prove that you are not robot. Fine. Okay, now just click here. Now one link will be available on your email account, so just access your email. Okay, so you will get email from the Pandle, so you need to log in from that particular link to proceed further. Fine, you can see you have to confirm your account before continuing. So I'm just opening my Gmail account. So as you can see in my inbox, there is one email from the Pandle. Now I have to just click here to active my account. So once you click there, you will get the same link. Okay, you will redirect to the same link and just click here. Now you have to select, are you a owner of the company or you are a bookkeeper or accountant. I'm just selecting this one. Okay, now I have to enter the basic details of myself, my company, contact detail, additional information, and bank account. So I'm just randomly entering the data, and here you need to add detail in a proper way. Same way you can also modify or make any kind of changes in detail after successfully company creation. Okay, so I'm just randomly selecting all the things. In country I have selected United Kingdom. Now business type, sole trader partnership or limited company. Now enter the name of the business, then trading name, then enter the company registration number, then fiscal year start date and financial year end date. Okay, so you have to enter your financial year start and end date. Then you need to enter the date of incorporation, and after that you need to mention the name of directors. So I'm just entering name of directors as directors. Okay, I don't want to specify any name here. Now you can choose industries. Fine. And previously, if you are using any bookkeeping system, then you have to select this. Okay, now just click on saving. Now the contact details. Okay, you have to enter your full address here. I'm not going to select or enter anything now, just continue. Now this one is important option. Okay, so you need to read carefully and you need to answer carefully. So do supplier invoice the business? Then yes. Does the business invoice customer? Then yes. So would you like to Pandle to create invoice? Yes. Okay, so these are the main options. Is the VAT registered? Is your business is VAT registered? Then you have to enter the proper VAT details of your registration number, then registration date, then the scheme you are using. Okay, then frequency of return and all. Fine. Then business use reverse charge. Do you have any employees, multi-currency, etc.? So you can select and you can use this option as per your convenience and as per your policies. Now I have to enter the bank account here. You can also add more than one account here. Okay, so this one is last step, and you can see I have to choose my subscription. So this one is free forever. Okay, so you can see the specification and feature here, and if you want to use any special feature in pro version, so you have to pay £5 per month plus VAT. And you can see a bank feed, premium invoice templates, cash flow, user permission and all. Then mileage tracker is here. Fine. So currently I'm going with free plan. Okay, select panel plan, confirm, new plan. Fine. So this one is free. I am going to use basic features with free of course forever. Fine. Now just close. This one is a tutorial kind of videos. Now you can see your customer, supplier, banking, accounting, tools, reports. Fine. Same way from settings, you can see the company settings, document setting. Let's see company settings. So whatever information we have entered till, you can see here, and you can also modify those basic information from here. Same way you can also see the company subscriptions. Okay, so currently which plan you are using, you can access from here. Fine. Then switch company is here, logout is here, your profile, you can see the profile and all things. You can set the password and all. Now let me show the charts of accounts. So you have to go into the accounting. Here there is option of categories. Okay, so you can see you have to just enter the period and just click on show all. So you can see the charts. Okay, different accounting. Same way you can also add new account from here, and you can see new adjustment, new category. Same way you can also export the whole charts in Excel in this way. Okay, so it was an option of export in Excel CSV. Fine. Now you can also delete the chart. You can modify the name of chart from here. Fine. You can see your code name, category, then category type means group, then status, whether it's active or inactive. Fine. And debit and credit, you will get the balances. So in this way, we can create a new company in Pandle. Okay. So this is for today. Thanks for watching. Kindly like the video, subscribe the channel. Thank you.